In this series, we address common OKR challenges and how to fix them. Here's one. Should development teams use OKRs? Of course, but the way you set those OKRs may look a little different. In software companies, the product owner or the product management team decides on the product direction for the quarter. Let's call that the desired outcome or the goal. Engineers will then work in sprints to deliver the most important changes that bring everyone closer to that goal. So the roadmap for engineers is usually built based on the outcomes that the product team decided on, meaning that the product and development teams work together on the same OKR. Even though the OKR may be defined by the product owner or manager, it's up to both teams to make sure that the outcomes are valuable to the business and the ideas are executed on the highest level. I hope this helps, but if you have any other questions, let us know.